In this video, we'll explore the potential success of PulseChain and PulseX in the cryptocurrency market. HEX, a previous cryptocurrency, achieved 10,000x growth in just 2 years, despite lacking the community and historical success that PulseChain and PulseX possessed. Therefore, we will analyze the potential arguments for and against the possibility of PulseChain and PulseX achieving even faster success in the 2 years following their launch. It's essential to watch this video in its entirety to gain a comprehensive understanding of our findings. But before going further, it's important to know that this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Now let's get started. PulseChain and PulseX are upcoming blockchain projects that are generating a lot of excitement in the cryptocurrency community. PulseChain is being developed by Richard Hart, the founder of HEX, while PulseX is a decentralized exchange that will run on the PulseChain network. The launch of PulseChain and PulseX is highly anticipated, with many investors hoping to see significant returns. While there is still much we don't know about these projects, we do have some information about what they will entail. PulseChain will be a fork of the Ethereum blockchain, meaning it will use the same code base as Ethereum but will operate on a separate network. The aim of PulseChain is to create a faster, more efficient blockchain that is also more environmentally friendly than Ethereum. It will also be compatible with Ethereum-based smart contracts, allowing developers to easily migrate their projects to the new network. PulseX, on the other hand, is a decentralized exchange that will run on the PulseChain network. It will allow users to trade a variety of cryptocurrencies without the need for a centralized authority. This is a significant development in the world of cryptocurrency, as centralized exchanges have been a frequent target of hacking attacks and have faced regulatory scrutiny. Given the success of HEX and the anticipation surrounding the launch of PulseChain and PulseX, many investors are wondering if these projects could potentially reach 10,000x faster than HEX did. While it's difficult to make any guarantees in the world of cryptocurrency, there are several reasons to be optimistic. Firstly, Richard Hart has a proven track record of developing successful cryptocurrency projects, with HEX being a prime example. Secondly, the market for cryptocurrencies has grown significantly since HEX's launch, meaning there's a larger potential user base for PulseChain and PulseX. Finally, the environmental concerns surrounding Bitcoin and Ethereum could drive investors towards more environmentally friendly alternatives like PulseChain. Furthermore, HEX's launch was unique in many ways. Its founder, Richard Hart, did not rely on traditional methods of promotion, such as advertising or influencer marketing. Instead, he focused on building a community through social media and word-of-mouth marketing. Richard Hart also offered incentives to early adopters of the cryptocurrency, including bonuses for those who staked their HEX tokens for a longer period. This approach proved successful, as many early investors became staunch supporters of the cryptocurrency and helped to spread the word. PulseChain and PulseX, two new cryptocurrencies expected to launch soon, are drawing comparisons to HEX's launch and subsequent success. While the marketing strategies used by Richard Hart to launch HEX are somewhat similar to those used to launch PulseChain and PulseX, there are also significant differences. Richard Hart has indicated that they will be using a similar staking mechanism as HEX, which could attract investors looking for long-term investment opportunities. Another advantage that PulseChain and PulseX have is the existing community of HEX supporters. Many HEX investors have expressed interest in supporting the new cryptocurrencies, and this could provide a significant boost to their launch and subsequent growth. Additionally, the team has indicated that PulseChain and PulseX will offer several unique features that could differentiate them from other cryptocurrencies in the market. Given these advantages, it is possible that PulseChain and PulseX could achieve even faster success than HEX. However, it is important to note that the cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, and past performance is not always indicative of future results. So, HEX's success story provides valuable insights into the potential for new cryptocurrencies to achieve exponential growth. The launch of PulseChain and PulseX presents an exciting opportunity for investors to get in on the ground floor of two new cryptocurrencies that could potentially replicate HEX's success. PulseChain and PulseX have a significant advantage in the form of the existing HEX community. HEX was successful in part because of the strong, engaged community that Richard Hart built around it. As a result, the community's participation and involvement contributed to HEX's success. The HEX community has grown substantially since the project's launch, and it has continued to evolve and mature. PulseChain and PulseX will undoubtedly benefit from the existing HEX community's involvement, which could help to drive early adoption and growth. They will have an active and engaged user base that is already familiar with Richard Hart's work and philosophy, giving the new projects a head start in building a following. The gratification and rewards for participating in PulseChain and PulseX are expected to be similar to those in HEX, and they will likely appeal to the same community members. This could encourage them to hold on to their tokens for a longer period and promote the new projects to others. PulseChain and PulseX also have the benefit of building on HEX's success. HEX demonstrated that Richard Hart's innovative blockchain strategies and incentive systems could work effectively in practice. The new projects are expected to have similar features, including rewarding users for holding tokens, referral programs, and other bonus features. This continuity is expected to make it easier for the HEX community to understand and adopt the new projects, leading to faster growth. Basically, the growth and maturity of the HEX community, the benefits of gratification and community involvement, and the ability to build on HEX's success all suggest that PulseChain and PulseX have a good chance of succeeding. The existing community is likely to play a significant role in driving early adoption and growth, and the new project's innovative features are expected to continue to appeal to the community's interests. So, these reasons provide grounds for excitement about the launch of PulseChain and PulseX. While it's impossible to predict the future, there's a lot of potential for these projects to be successful and generate significant returns for investors. It's important to note that Richard Hart has not yet announced a release date for PulseChain and PulseX. As the excitement surrounding these projects builds, it's likely that we'll see many skeptics and potential investors jumping on board. However, it's important to be cautious of scams related to PulseChain, as there are already fraudulent coins using the Pulse name. For example, scammers may claim to sell PLS dollar tokens or offer a Pulse token on the Binance Smart Chain that is not affiliated with PulseChain at all. To ensure accurate information, it's recommended to follow Richard Hart on Twitter or Telegram. When considering the potential success of PulseChain and PulseX, it's important to be optimistic but also realistic. While HEX experienced tremendous growth, there's no guarantee that these new projects will perform at the same level. However, with the benefits of lower transaction fees, higher throughput, delegated proof-of-stake validators, and deflationary measures, it's certainly possible for PulseChain and PulseX to succeed. Ultimately, only time will tell how these projects will perform, and it's important for investors to do their own research and make informed decisions. Now, do you think PulseChain and PulseX have the potential to grow 10,000 times faster than HEX? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. That's all for today's video. If you're excited about the potential of PulseX and want to stay updated on the latest developments, make sure to subscribe to our channel for informative content. We'll continue to bring you the latest updates on the launch and the projects being developed on PulseChain. Join us on this journey and stay up to date on all things PulseChain. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.